Hello, everybody. My name is Terry Marinas, and I am the Honors College Accounting teacher at Naperville North. Welcome to Open House Fall 2020. I want to tell you a little bit about myself before I dive into the course. I am a second career teacher. I have originally I received a business degree from Clarkson University in Potsdam, New York. I'm from upstate New York, and then after working in the business world and having children, I decided to go back to school and get a master's in education. So I've been a high school teacher. Well, this is my 18th year. And I did go back to school again to get another master's degree in educational administration. Um, I started teaching at Naperville Central, and I taught there for 11 years. And then I went to district as a project manager, and then back to the classroom at NNHS. And this is my fourth year at North. These are some courses I'm currently teaching. They include accounting, honors college accounting, this course, consumer economics, and international business. So I'm teaching all those this Honors College Accounting is such a great class. Originally, this class was offered at Central, and now it is offered at North. And so last year was our first year. It was kind of our kickoff inaugural year, and now we've got another great group of kids taking this advanced course. This is a really good course if you want to if a student wants to major in business. Most of my students are pretty serious about going to business school, and that's why they're taking it. And they just want to learn, and they just want to become more proficient in the accounting field, possibly to major in accounting, but maybe not. They're all just trying to figure it out. One side benefit of this course, and I think is awesome, is that they will become extremely proficient in Google Sheets and eventually Excel when we get back to the classroom. They will develop a lot of analytical skills, and then so they're able to make decisions based on the data in front of them. They'll be creating that data and also analyzing it. We also, in this course, do some case studies, and so they will definitely improve and get to know how to create a memo and do some business writing and gain a lot of knowledge about companies and apply actually content that we're learning in class to what's going on in these companies and kind of relate to what they're doing, the decisions that companies made based on accounting data. In regard to the instruction for this course, this is a financial and managerial accounting course. We start out with financial, which is a review of last year in accounting one, and then we get right into the managerial accounting and some job costing as well. The instruction will look like guided instruction. We have a small group, so I like to do some full group because it's very manageable. So that'll be the whole group, and then some small group discussions will be had in the class. So we have on Zoom, we have the ability to do some breakout rooms, and I will break the kids up and I will enter into the rooms and do some small group teaching. Also, which is done a lot in this class, is some individual work time, and I will be with them online as they work, but they will be working on their own as well. And since we're in Google Sheets, that Google Sheet environment, it's great because we can collaborate real time, even outside of class. And if one of my students needs one-on-one instruction, I'm always here to help. During their lunchtime, if it's a period that I'm free before school, after school, whenever they need some help, I'm definitely here. We could Zoom one-on-one if they would like. Eventually, when we get back to the classroom, I can work with them outside class. In regard to test and quiz preparation, we do a lot of problems in this class. We do them together and individually, and we go over everything. There are study guides in Canvas for each chapter that are pretty in-depth. And also all the Google slides and notes and examples and Google images are all shared with the students. And I like to implement some fun review activities as well, like Quizlet, Kahoot, and Pear Deck. Oops. So the honors accounting textbook we're using is Century 21 Accounting Advanced, and it is the newest edition. We started using it last year. And right now, the kids, an online book is coming. We are renewing our subscription, but my students will be receiving a hard copy of this textbook. And if they're seniors, I think it'll be toward the end of the week this week. So in regard to, I already went over the test prep on the other slide. Okay, in regard to honors, the accounting content, there's departmental accounting that is very different from the companies that we looked at last year, which technically included only one service or one product. Now the kids are looking at different departments and all different types of products that are being sold in a merchandising environment. So they'll look at purchases, sales, payroll, financial reporting within the scope of departmental accounting. Then we'll start taking a look at accounting adjustments and the valuation of a company in regard to inventory, uncollectibles, payables, unearned, and accrued revenue. So again, this is getting into more of the managerial accounting, and but we're still in a little bit of financial in this as well. In regard to corporate accounting, we look at dividends, stocks, bonds, reporting, and cash flows, and we start to get into manufacturing. So we move from merchandising and get into manufacturing and job costing. If you would like to contact me, that would be great. I'm always available through email, tmarinas@naperville203.org, or my voicemail, which goes straight to my email, and I would get back to you. Infinite Campus is continually updated. I'm pretty on top of my grades. And we have a small class here, so that should not be a problem. It should be pretty instant. Canvas is always updated with everything the students will need, and right under the day that we do it. If you would like to give me some information about your student, I would love that. That'd be great. Although I do know these kids pretty well because I had them last year, but anything you can share with me would be so helpful. Also, if you would like to become a guest speaker in our class through Zoom, or once we're back in the building, hopefully we can get you back in, but through Zoom would be awesome if you would like to share any knowledge that you have about the accounting field. That'd be great. So the tiny URL is up on the screen, and also a link is being provided in the document, in the open house document. So thank you so much. I'm looking forward to a great year, and thank you for watching.